everyone, Team BHANGOO is presenting our new listing 1143 Hobbs Drive, a model home built by custom builder Shri Homes. Only 5 minutes drive from Highway 401, exit number 189 and 194. Bedroom luxurious house with finished basement, upgraded throughout, concrete driveway with no sidewalk, 4 car parkings in the driveway and double car garage. Altogether you are getting 6 car parkings. Updated front elevation with brick and stucco. Siding is also stucco. Uplifted house to make the basement look out. Double door entry with multi-lock system. Open to above foyer with accent walls all over, oak stairs with metal spindles, 9-foot ceiling on the main floor with 8-foot doors, and oversized mudroom accompanied by an upgraded 2-piece bath. Enjoy the designer touches such as elegant light fixtures, pot lights throughout, fireplace in the family room accompanied by the built-in speakers. Chef's Dream Kitchen offers an oversized center island, waterfall countertops, upgraded fixtures, soft close drawers, built-in appliances, gas cooktop, walk-in pantry for extra storage. Spacious dining room leads you to a deck of 12 by 8 to enjoy the year-round entertainment. Second floor offers luxurious primary suite, includes a 5-piece upgraded ensuite, walk-in closet and a 10 by 6 balcony with glass railing and aluminum siding. Two another bedrooms share a 5-piece Jack and Jill bath, while a second master bedroom offers its own 4-piece ensuite and a walk-in closet. Laundry room is conveniently located on the upper level and includes a tub and linen closet. Finished lookout basement features a separate side entrance, 5 egress windows, a 4-piece bathroom offering potential for a legal 2-bedroom basement with kitchen and family room. Additionally, it has a tankless hot water tank and 200 amp electrical panel. This house comes with LED pot lights throughout, engineering hardwood all over, no carpet. We have several lots available with different floor plans. You can customize as per your choice. To get more information or book a showing, you can call me Roopa at 226-270-5000 or my business partner Narinder at 226-270-6000 from Gold Empire Realty.